what's going on, guys? It's your boy How to Hack here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Minecraft Skyblock one block on your Minecraft. So the way you do it is, first I'll actually leave the link in the description. First you need to download the one block from your link from the description. Alright, once you have that, I have it over here, as you can see. Once you have it in your downloads folder, just go in there, copy it, easy quick copy it, and then you can go to here and percent app data percent. Go here, go to this folder, and go to Minecraft, go to saves. As you can see, I already have it here. Just paste that thing, paste this over there, and you're good to go. So as you can see, we are here in Minecraft. Here's the one block. Let's just play it. And I am actually going to make a series on this as well. So if you guys want to see it, please leave a like. As you can see, I'm over here in this Skyblock. I actually have built a lot of this, and as you can see, here's my one block. All of this, there's a freaking polar bear in here. And yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. This is how you install Minecraft Skyblock one block. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. And if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.